Have you ever looked at an old artifact or picture and wondered what happened in the past? Historians do this every day. They're like detectives, using clues to figure out history. Today, we're going to think like historians and learn how to use observations and inferences to uncover the past. An observation is something you notice using your senses, like sight, hearing, touch, taste, or smell. Observations are facts. They don't include opinions or guesses. So some examples could be, the apple is red, I hear a loud barking sound, or the desk feels smooth. If you can directly see, hear, or measure it, it's an observation. An inference, on the other hand, is a conclusion you make based on observations and what you already know. Inferences are educated guesses. They explain what might be happening. So let's look at the previously mentioned observations. If my observation is that the apple is red, my inference might be that it's fresh. If I hear a loud barking sound, my inference might be that the dog is excited or scared. And if I feel the desk being smooth, my inference might be that someone may have just cleaned it. Remember, inferences are not directly observed. They are your ideas based on clues. So let's practice. What do you observe in this picture? The sidewalk is wet. A person is holding an umbrella. Now what can you infer? It probably rained recently. Let's try another. What do you observe here? The student is yawning. So what can you infer? The student might be tired. Last one. What are your observations? The cookie jar is broken. Crumbs are on the floor. What's the inference? Someone may have dropped the jar or tried to sneak a cookie. Great work, historians! Remember, observations are what you see, hear, or measure. Inferences are the conclusions you draw from those observations. Keep practicing, and you'll become an expert at figuring things out.